bona fide Broadway star here tonight. He just graduated school like a year ago and already just finished his first Broadway show of Chicago, and he's getting ready to go on tour playing Mary Sunshine in Chicago. To sing for us right now, please give a huge round of applause for David Vogel! Stand. Just fine. Okay. Are you drinking alcohol?
I am.
I was gonna say that's your first mistake, David. Let's get your alcohol. I know that you just got out of school and you just did Broadway, but take it from someone who's been doing Broadway since the 1940s that alcohol plays a very important role. It does. All right, so please give it up for David Vogel.
Thank you. This is the song I sing in the show. It's called A Little Bit of Good, and it's a male soprano song.
I didn't know there was such a thing.
Sorry.
Jacksonville, Florida. In Columbus, Georgia.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Cheers.
Gorgeous. Oh my God. David, you want to know something funny? A friend of mine was standing outside to smoke a cigarette and was like, oh my God, Sherry, I've never heard her hit those notes before. And I was like, and you never will again. That's post-surgery. Alright, now, I'm gonna pick things up